Assalamualaikum, a very good morning. Today's topic is Town and Cities, Unit 1 for Year 5. Okay. Continue. Next. Okay, Activity 1, match the words with the places on the map of London. Okay, in your textbook, page 12 and 13. Okay, now. Okay, these are the words. Okay, regarding on places in London. Okay, this is the map of London. Okay, you look at number 1. Okay, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, number 6, 7, number 8, number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there is a 15. Alright, so you need to complete 14 name of places on the map of London. Okay, so for example, number 7, Victoria bus station. Okay, Victoria bus station, London. Okay, Victoria bus station, London. Okay, number 7. Okay, number 1, at the British, there are 14 million books at the British Library. Okay, number 2, Regent is a beautiful green area. Regent is a beautiful green area. Regent what? Regent Park. Next one. The Savour is a very famous hotel. Okay, the Savour is a very famous hotel. Okay, number 4. Nelson Column is the tall monument. Okay. Nelson Column is a tall monument in the middle of Trafalgar Square. Okay. Okay. Number 6. Harrod is a very famous. Okay. Harrod is a very famous shops. Okay. Harrod is a very famous shop. Okay. Number 7. Victoria bus station. Victoria bus station. Number 8. Convent Garden goes shopping in the market. In the market. Okay, next one. The IMAX. Watch a 3D film here. The IMAX cinema. The IMAX cinema. Okay. Next one we have Chinatown. Eat interesting Chinese food in the restaurant. In the restaurant. Next. King Cross. King Cross train station. King Cross train station. Take a train here. Okay. Next. The West End is London Theatre District. The West End is London Theatre District. The next one. Tower Bridge. Okay, Tower Bridge. See the river Thames from here. Tower Bridge. Okay, there is a song on the Tower Bridge. Okay, last one is The shots in London's new and very tall office building. Right. The shots is London's new and very tall office building. Okay. So either you write the words in the blank, or maybe because of the blank is too small, you can write the numbers, right? You can write the numbers, okay, in the words here. Okay, I just put number. Okay, if the blank is too small to you to write the words, just put the number. For example, shop, you write it 7. Train station, you write it 11. Alright, it's okay, no problem. Okay. Alright, for activity 3, watch and listen again and complete the sentence. There isn't a what here. Okay, look at the places that are not here. So there isn't a field here. Okay, there isn't a field here. There are someone in the city too. Okay, there are some beautiful places in the city too. Okay, there are an old house, or maybe there are an old mansion, or there are an old castles. Okay, there is a beautiful river. Okay, there are not any good restaurant here. So based on what you want to write. Okay, next. Okay, activity 2, complete the bubble map with words about town and cities. Okay, so some of the words are in the map. Okay, you choose 5 and then complete the bubble map. For example, monument. Okay, so I already have example here where I choose monument, library, bus station, cinema, and office buildings. Or so you can choose another 5, okay, based on the word on page or activity 1. Okay, next. Okay, write through sentences about your town. Okay, for example, my town area are called Bukit Gambir. There are nice cafes. There are not flats in this area. There is a bus station. There isn't a monument opposite our school. Okay, just write 5 sentences. Complete your handouts. Good. Okay, next one. Okay, still the same activity, but you have to write under the statement given. Okay, for example, area are called Chinatown. Okay, so Chinatown is town, so my town area are called Chinatown. There are nice cafes. There are flats in this area. Okay, Chinatown got flats. There is a bus station. There is a monument opposite our school. So it's the same. Whatever you can choose. There is. There are not. Whatever. No problem. This is just examples. We use there are. There is. There are. There is. Okay. There is for singular, and there are for plural. Okay. Okay. Still the same. I can still complete the table also. Okay, next one. Okay, this is our last activity. Use a dictionary. Okay, make sure you have your dictionary and use your dictionary to check the meaning of words in this particular handouts. Okay, I choose one word. Fantastic. Okay, so fantastic. In the dictionary, only word that I can find is good. Fantastic is So you choose another 4 and look at your dictionary. Find out the meaning of this word in the dictionary. It's not just the meaning only one word, but sometimes he got the meaning is in phrases. Alright, it's not in one word. Okay, so that's all for now. We will meet again. Okay, remember to do your homework. You are awesome. Okay, bye bye. Okay, next week. Okay, next week. See you on next week. Okay, bye bye.